Thank you again for tuning in and watching my videos. I truly appreciate your support. As a token of my appreciation, I want to tell you about this exciting new guide called The Design Life that I created just for dreamers and doers like you. Are you ready to take a bold step toward the life you've always dreamed of? Whether it's starting that business, moving abroad, launching a ministry, or simply pursuing what brings you true joy, I have created something just for you. It's called The Designed Life, a free guide to help you gain the clarity and direction you need to create a customized vision for your life. Inside, you'll find powerful step-by-step prompts like the self-audit and talent inventory to help you identify your unique gifts and experiences. You'll also learn how to ground your vision in faith by selecting life scriptures that align with God's promises, setting a firm foundation for your goals. Plus, the A Day in Your Dream Life section will guide you through the emotions and details of living that vision, empowering you to see and believe what's possible through God's power and with His help. This isn't just a guide, it's a blueprint to create a multi-generational legacy of purpose, fulfillment, and making the world a better place. Don't wait, download your free copy today by screenshotting the QR code on your screen or clicking the link in the description below. It's time to step into the life you've been called to live, and I know the Design Life Guide will help. Happy designing!